Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to send money from Kraken to your bank account. Before we get started, I want to make sure you understand the risks involved in using cryptocurrency exchanges. Kraken is a reputable exchange, but there is always a risk of losing your money when dealing with cryptocurrencies. I recommend that you do your own research and understand the risks before you start using any cryptocurrency exchange. What is Kraken? Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. How to create a Kraken account? To create a Kraken account, you will need to provide your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your identity by providing a copy of your government-issued ID. How to fund your Kraken account? Once you have created a Kraken account, you can fund it by using a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. How to send money from Kraken to your bank account? Now that you have funded your Kraken account, you can send money to your bank account. Here are the steps. Log into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab. Select Withdraw. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Select your bank account. Enter your bank account information. Click on Submit. Your withdrawal will be processed within 1 to 3 business days. Additional tips. Before you send money from Kraken to your bank account, make sure that you have verified your identity. This will help to prevent fraud. Kraken charges a fee for withdrawals. The fee amount will vary depending on the withdrawal method you use. You can view your withdrawal history in the Funding tab of your Kraken account. Sending money from Kraken to your bank account is a simple process. However, it is important to understand the risks involved before you do so. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content.